Platz bis
So,
jetzt, oder?
now the waterfall is online, let's say like that. And so it's really, really a big moment. Today is October 4th. And in spring we have Niraja Dasi. So this is really, really a very good time. And this painting shows experience what I had with Paramahamsa. It is dedicated to him. And this one is Lakshmi, the lotus flower, Narayan, here the golden coin, and the creation. And the creation. And so the creation itself, this lotus flower shows a perfect reflection on the water, like up, it is also down. And the leaves, they have the form of the heart. So get away from your mind to the heart. We have two from the mind, and the heart is one. So, and there, the little lotus flowers up there, this is humanity. This is us. And so we are part, of course, of Narayan. And here is Mount Kailash, we don't know, or Tyrol Alps. And it was a fantastic work, and this openness of a private house of a devotee, it's really unbelievable what we could make there for good, forever. And it's a marking point, and it's for our Guru, Paramahamsa Viswananda. Thank you.